I've been growing this swamp all year, so I think I'm gonna do something about it today. I bought one drain, one piece of corrugated pipe, and a drain sleeve. At the end of my pipe, I'm just gonna angle it into the ground and fill it with drainage rock. Okay, I dug my hole a little too deep for this to give me the room to add some drainage rocks under it. This will help this stay steady. Alright, I've got 10 to 12 inches deeper than my pipe here. I'm going to fill in with rock. I'm going to prep my pipe, use my extra rock wherever I can, put the dirt on and be done. I'm going to use my grinder to cut slits in the pipe so it will slowly drain. Unless there's a heavy rainfall or something, then it can pour out the end. Okay, it's the next day. I extended the PVC down a little closer to prevent some splash. And this grading job is not the best, but the dirt's just sticking to all my tools, so hopefully after it dries out, I can smooth that out. And I don't know if this is going to work. I guess only time will tell. I guess the worst case scenario is I'll have a wet spot 10 feet away from the house, which will be better than 2 feet away from the house.